guys, so in this video I want to share my reviews on this another anime. If you really love supernatural type of animes, there may be animes in which some yakuzas or mafias are there. You know what I am talking about, right? So basically I can say that you are definitely going to love this anime, and there are few things that I think I should be clearing. First of all, after watching its reviews or maybe its pictures, or even if you search it on Mal, you are going to be thinking like it's like a reverse harem basically, because there is only one girl and over 7 boys. So yeah, at first it seems like a reverse harem, but guys, don't worry, it's not a reverse harem anime. There are two guys. The blonde one seems like he loves her, but basically the another one doesn't seem like he loves her. Maybe, I mean, after watching all episodes, I didn't get the point that I can say he loves her or maybe something like that. But yeah, but the girl is like that. She loves both of them, not in a weird way, but yeah, she likes both of them. So yeah, it's fine. So basically, in this anime, what I really like about is that not girl. But basically there is a blonde guy. Liberté, and you won't believe it. If you watch even 3 episodes, 1, 2, and 3, obviously. So basically, you can see in second or third episode, you will like that. Man, he is a super OP man. I really miss these type of animes. In these supernatural animes, there is a guy like that who he can do whatever he thinks. Like, if he says that that thing should destroy, then that thing should be destroyed, and if he thinks that thing should be regenerated, it should be. He is that OP. I really love this character, and to be honest, I watched this anime just because of this guy. I heard about him in the Mal or Google searches, and basically I watched complete anime just because of his character. And don't believe me, but basically I didn't watch the anime alone on this case. I really loved its plot and really loved its animation style. And oh yeah, I forgot, I guess. Actually, the anime name is Arcana Famiglia. And basically, you guys can definitely try this anime. It's not a must watch, because some people really hate these type of animes in which there is only one girl and another are boys. I must say you guys can definitely give a shot, 2-3 episodes, or maybe even 1-2 episodes. If you loved it, then go and watch it. Else you can drop any anime at all time. So yeah, I guess you are going to enjoy today's video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.